Hi, it's Ashley Ma with About Korea channel. It's Hangul Korean alphabet class, lesson number 2. We're going to take a look at 14 basic consonants today and trying to practice those. Alright, do you remember 10 basic vowels from last class? If you didn't take a look at those 10 basic vowels, you can go back to the previous class and review and practice a little bit more and come back to this lesson. Okay, this is Hangul class lesson 2. Alright. Out of 14 basic consonants, first consonant is 기역. The letter name is 기역. Okay, and let's try to write one. Okay, just one stroke. One. Okay, this is 기역. And pronunciation, it's very similar to G or K, right? G or K in English, right? So do you remember last time we have studied 10 basic vowel, right? The first vowel is A. So if we combine 기역 with vowel A, 기역 plus A, it's 가. Okay? So one consonant and one vowel we have to combine, then it comes to 가. Okay? Repeat after me, 가. Okay. So the consonant is 기역. Next consonant is 니은. Repeat after me, 니은. 니은. Okay? 니은. All right, let's try to write one. One stroke, one. Okay? This is 니은. All right? Try to remember how to write and pronunciation itself. 니은. The pronunciation itself, it's very similar to N sound in English, right? N sound in English. So if we combine 니은 with A, vowel A, it comes to 나. Okay? 나. 니은 plus A, it is 나. Okay? All right. So this consonant is 니은. Next consonant is 디귿. Okay? Repeat after me. 디귿. 디귿. Right. Let's try to write down 1 and 2. Okay, only 2 stroke. 1 and 2. Okay, this is 디귿, right? 디귿. Pronunciation is D or T sound in English. D or T in English, right? So, if we combine D, 디귿 sound plus A, it is 다. Okay? 다. Right. So one consonant and one vowel that makes one syllable, right? So 다. 디귿 아 다. Right? 드 아 다. Right. Okay, this is 디귿. Next consonant is 리을. 리을. Repeat after me. 리을. Okay. And let's try to write 1, 2, and 3. Those are 3 strokes, right? 1, 2, and 3. Okay, this is 리을. And pronunciation is similar to L sound, L sound in English. Okay, so let's try to combine 리을 with vowel A. It is 라. Okay, 라. 라. So this is 리을. Next consonant is 미음. 미음. Okay, repeat after me. 미음. All right. Let's try to write down 1, 2, and 3. Okay, this is also 3-stroke. 미음. And pronunciation is similar to M in English. M sound. So let's try to combine 미음 with ah. It is ma. Okay, ma. All right. So this consonant is 미음. All right. Are you doing good right now? Okay. All right. The next consonant is 비읍. 비읍. Okay. 비읍. And try to write down 비읍. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And pronunciation is very similar to B sound or P sound in English. B or P. All right. So let's try to combine 비읍 plus ah. It is pa. Okay. Pa. Right. So one consonant and one vowel. It makes a one syllable. Pa. Right. So this is 비읍. Next consonant is 시옷. 시옷. Repeat after me. 시옷. Okay. Then let's try to write down 1 and 2. Okay, only 2-stroke. 1 and 2. And pronunciation is similar to S in English. Okay, very similar to S in English. So if we combine 시옷 with 아, then it is 사. 사. Okay, try to remember. The letter name is 시옷. 시옷. Next consonant is 이응. 이응. The letter name is 이응. Repeat after me. 이응. Okay. And let's try to write down just one. Okay, the circle shape, right? Only one stroke. 이응. All right. And the pronunciation, usually it has no sound, but if this one, sometimes the pronunciation is 응 sound. If 이응 is at the last position or final position, the sounds is 응 sound. Okay? All right. Let's try to combine 이응 with 아. It is 아. Right? Okay, because the consonant 이응 has no sound here. That's why 이응 with 아, it is 아. Okay, it's the same, right? Because 이응 at the first position has no sound. That's why 아. Next consonant is 지읒. 지읒. Repeat after me. 지읒. Okay, 지읒. And try to write down 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. This is 지읒. And pronunciation is similar to J sound in English, right? Okay, if we combine 지읒 with 아, it is 자. 자. Okay? 자. So this consonant is, the letter name is 지읒. 지읒. Okay. All right. Next. This consonant, letter name is 치읒. 치읒. Okay. Repeat after me. 치읒. All right. Try to write down 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is 치읒, right? 치읒. And pronunciation, it's similar to CH sound. So ch, right? Ch sound in English, right? 치읒. If we combine 치읒 with a, it is 차, 차. Okay, 차. Right. So this consonant is 치읓, right? Chi sound. All right. 차. Next consonant is 키읔, 키읔. Okay. The letter name is 키읔. And let's try to write 1 and 2. Okay, 2 stroke, 1 and 2. The pronunciation is similar to K sound in English, all right? K sound in English. So, if we combine 키읔 with a, it is 카, 카, okay? 카. The consonant is 키읔, all right? And next, this consonant letter name is 티읕. Repeat after me. 티읕. Okay, 티읕. All right, then try to write down 1, 2, and 3. Okay, this is 티읕. 티읕. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, pronunciation is very similar to T sound. T sound in English, right? So if we combine 티읕 with a, and it is 타, 타, okay, 타. So this is 티읕. The letter name is 티읕. Try to remember, okay? During this lesson, try to remember all those pronunciation and also how to write each letter, okay? And you have to review yourself too, right? Next consonant is 피읍, 피읍. Repeat after me, 피읍. Okay, 피읍. And let's try to write down 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is 피읍, and pronunciation is similar to P sound in English. All right, P sound in English. So let's combine 피읍 with a. It is 파, 파. Okay, so this consonant is 피읍, right? Remember, 피읍. Okay, next. This consonant letter name is 히읗, 히읗. Okay, repeat after me, 히읗, 히읗. Okay, and let's try to write down together 1, 2, and 3. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. This is 히읗. All right. Pronunciation is similar to H sound in English. All right. So, if we combine 히읗 with vowel a, it is 하, 하. Okay, 하. Right. The consonant itself, the letter name is 히읗, 히읗. Okay. All right. Yeah. This is 14 basic consonant. This is 14 basic consonant. Okay. Are you following me well? Okay. So I know it's very confusing at first time, right? But if you practice repeatedly, then it's going to be very familiar with you and it's easy to remember. So let's review. Let's review 14 basic consonants. Okay, first consonant is, do you remember the name? 기역, 기역. Second, 니은, 니은. 디귿, 디귿. 리을, 리을. 미음, 미음. 비읍, 비읍. Repeat after me. You have to do it. You have to practice, right? 시옷, 시옷. What is this? 이응, 이응. Okay, great. And this one? 지읒, 지읒. And next, 치읓, 치읓. Okay. And this one is 키읔, 키읔. Okay. This one is 티읕, 티읕. Okay. This one is 피읍, 피읍. And this is 히읗, 히읗. Good, great, good job. You did a great job. Okay, so let's try to combine these consonant with ah sound. Okay, the vowel ah. All right. So first one, okay, 기역 plus ah sound. What is this? 가. All right, 가. Repeat after me, and then 나. 나, then 다, 다, 라, 라. This one is 마, 마, 파, 파. Okay, great. 사, 사. Okay. 아, 아, 자, 자, 차, 차, 카, 카, 타, 타, 파, 파, 하, 하. Okay, let's just make it a little faster. Okay, 가, 나, 타, 라, 마, 파, 사, 아, 자, 차, 가, 타, 파, 하. Good job. You did a great job today. All right. So please practice and, review yourself and try to remember all the pronunciation and the letter name, right? Okay. This is what you have to do, right? Today. Okay. So this is it. Okay. That's it for today's lesson. If you want to see more lessons and video, please subscribe and don't forget to like and share button. Okay, hopefully you enjoy this Korean alphabet class. And if you spend 10 to 20 minutes every day, I'm pretty sure you will be more familiar with Korean alphabet, Hangul. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.